Hey guys, you can give this question a try and then you can resume the video to look at its solution. All right, so Arun drove from home to his hostel at 60 miles per hour. Okay. While returning home, he drove halfway along the same route at a speed of 25 miles per hour and then took a bypass road which increased his driving distance by 5 miles but allowed him to drive at 50 miles per hour along this bypass road. If his return journey took 30 minutes more than his onward journey, then the total distance traveled by him is. So let that journey, okay, from his home to his hostel, let that distance be equal to 2d because we are going to consider half of the halfway, right? So that will make it slightly more convenient to work with. Okay. Let the total distance be 2d. When he's driving from home to his hostel, he's driving at 60 miles per hour. So the distance is 2d and the speed is 60. So distance of 2d is being driven at 60 miles per hour. The time taken will be distance upon the speed. Distance is 2d and the speed is 60. Okay. But while returning, he drove halfway along the same route. So he's driving along the same route halfway. Okay. He's covering a distance of d, let's say. Okay, at the speed of 25 miles per hour. The distance is d and the speed is 25. So time will be distance upon speed. Okay, home to hostel total time we have found as 2d upon 60. And now halfway, when he returns from hostel to home, halfway the distance d he has covered at 25 miles per hour. So what is the time taken? The time taken will be distance upon the speed, d by 25. And then he took a bypass road. So instead of driving along this particular path, he's now taking a bypass road like this, something like this, which increased his driving distance by 5 miles. So he was supposed to cover this distance, where that is d, because this was the other half. But now he's driving 5 miles extra. So the distance he has now covered extra is 5. And the total distance he has covered along the path is d plus 5, d plus 5 miles. And that he's basically covering at 50 miles per hour, right? Okay, but driving extra 5 miles allowed him to drive at 50 miles per hour. So that speed is 50 and the distance is d plus 5. The total time will be d by 25 plus d plus 5 upon 50. And they have said if his return journey took 30 minutes more, 30 minutes is basically half an hour more. So the time taken for the return journey, this entire time was, matlab this was equal to half an hour more than his onward journey from home to hostel. Okay, whatever time it was, 2d upon 60. For the return journey, he has taken half an hour more. So d by 25 plus d plus 5 upon 50, the time is half an hour more than his onward journey. Now you have to solve for the variable d and we can get our answer after that. So we are going to multiply throughout by the LCM, least common multiple of 60, 25, 50, and 2. 25 and 50 are factor multiples, so the LCM is 50. 50 and 60, it is, I think, 300. So multiply throughout by 300. Half into 300 shall become 150 plus 2d upon 60 shall become 60, 60 cancels. 5 into 2d is equal to d by 25 times 300. This is also getting multiplied by 300. 25 cancels. 25 12s are 360. Sorry, 300. And 12d plus d plus 5 upon 50. This entire thing also gets multiplied by 300. 50 into 6. So you will have 6 into d plus 5. Okay. The left hand side is pretty much very much solved already. So 150 plus 10d will be equal to 12d is as it is. 6 into d plus 5 will be 6d plus 6 into 5 is 30. Now, if you simplify, 30 will go on the left hand side. 150 minus 30 is equal to 12 plus 6 is 18d. For that, you bring 10d on the right hand side. We are getting 120 is 8d, or the value of d is 15 miles. That does not match with any of the options. It should not, and it will not, obviously, because they have asked the total distance traveled by him. So the total distance traveled by him was the onward journey 2d, and the return journey is d plus d plus 5. That is 2d plus 5. That means the answer we need to find out is 2d plus 2d plus 5, and that is 4d plus 5. Plug in the value of d as 15 here. 4 into 15 will be 60 plus 5. The correct answer to your question is 65 miles, and that is the C option.